Hello my friends, and friends-to-be. In this video I will show you how to draw Duchess from the Disney movie, The Aristocats. As with any drawing, before you begin, imagine the size the drawing will be on the paper. Then try to keep everything in proportion to stay within those boundaries, so as to not draw off the paper. Anyone can draw this. Just take your time and do it in very small segments. We start with the head, which is probably the most difficult of all in this drawing. Duchess is a white Persian cat, mother to Marie, and very elegant and ladylike. She is very protective of her kittens, and tries to teach them all the proper manners of French society, even going as far as teaching them to sing and playing the piano. Notice that when drawing the eyes, they are in the shape of almonds or oval-like. This gives the appearance of a feminine cat. Being the pet of a French aristocrat, Madame Adelaide Bonfamille, Duchess is very devoted to her owner. However, she does not let her upbringing interfere with her willingness to make friends with anyone, no matter where they are from, or their society status. Although Duchess is very compassionate, she does not tolerate her kittens play fighting and has been known to scold them many times for that. Before starting her body, I draw her collar that looks like a distinctive elegant necklace. Now we start the easier portion of the drawing, her body. Notice that many of the body lines are long, running in one direction. This helps achieve the appearance of her slender feline appearance. When drawing her tail, wrap it down in front of her, and around to where it will appear as holding her body. Even this is to have a look of elegance by appearing to be a fur stole of some sort. Remember that every little detail of Duchess is to appear ladylike. The angle of her head, the fullness and positioning of her tail, and chest pushed forward truly exuberate signs of elegance and upper class. When drawing her leg, it is long and slender. Note how it is posed to give a feeling of an upper class society status. In spite of her upbringing and living in a high society, Duchess is by far not a snob. She is very opposite what one would think, and is a very kind and loving cat. All coloring is done using the basic Microsoft Paint program. However, you can use the coloring medium which you are most comfortable and proficient with. If you enjoyed this video, please visit my channel to see other favorite Disney characters, with more being added each week.